Okay, Miss Mercy, you're back.
Yes.
What's going on?
Well, he's here.
Okay, all right.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing well.
Good. Thank you for showing up for court.
Thank you.
This time.
Yeah. Listen, he showed up.
Okay.
Regardless.
I'm gonna be nice. It's a good day.
He showed up. He's here today. He's gonna have his opportunity to have his day in court just like you did, okay? Now, let's go. What's going on?
He just really doesn't like the child support payments. I'm still having a hard time getting a hold of him. We discussed visitation and shared custody.
She's back in court, but this time he finally showed up. After dodging child support and skipping visitation, he's here to face the consequences. The judge isn't playing, and the tension is already thick. But Mercy's not just here to watch. He wants answers. Is he finally ready to step up? Stay tuned. This is just the beginning.
He's not picking the kids up on his days, but he's out on social media, story going wild.
Okay, so why are you back here today? I guess I'm a little confused. Are you trying to make him pay more?
Yeah.
Okay, the last time you were here, you brought in some receipts that really didn't prove that he made more money. What do you have today?
Okay, so yes, I do have some proof about his income now. I knew he wasn't gonna give that proof to me, so I catfished him. And I hit him up under profile Marissa. You remember Marissa?
No, I don't know the Marissa.
Oh, okay, you had a lot to say to Marissa.
He's skipping pickup days, but flexing hard on social media. Now she's back, and this time, she wants more money. But how did she get the proof? She catfished him. That's right. She posed as Marissa and baited him into revealing everything. And what he said will blow this case wide open. Don't blink.
So, Your Honor,
wait a minute. So you created a fake account by the name of Marissa, and he was telling Marissa how much money he makes?
He fell for the bait.
Isn't that illegal, Your Honor?
Which part?
All of it.
No. We'll get to you in just a second because I have a lot of questions just based off of that. Marissa, so allegedly, he told Marissa all of this information about how much money he makes. Are you sure it was actually him and somebody wasn't using his account?
No, it was him.
How do you know?
Because he protects that phone like his life depended on it.
He took the bait. Marissa wasn't real, but the money he bragged about sure was. Now the judge wants to know, was this illegal or genius? She swears it was him, and she says his phone is locked tighter than Fort Knox. He's caught in a trap of his own making, and it's about to get worse.
Okay.
I have assistants, Your Honor, that run my social media account.
Okay, 1 second. Now, what do you have?
So I thought he made $20,000 a week.
20,000. I remember that you said he made $20,000 a week, and I thought that was a bit extreme for a baker.
It was. It was a little extreme. So he actually makes $4,000 a week, and I've got that proof right here for you.
Okay. All right. So that's an additional, if true, it's an additional $16,000 a month. Let's look through here. Okay. And you're wanting an increase of his child support. You do this much talking? Hold on, I'll get to you in a minute. I'll get to you in a minute.
She thought he made $20,000 a week. That was a stretch. But now she's got receipts, and the truth is just as shocking. $4,000 a week, every week. And she's got proof, printed and ready. The judge starts doing math. He's about to owe way more than he planned. But wait until you hear what he says next.
So you want an increase of his child support based on these captions about $4,000? Oh, he actually said it. Okay. Again, allegedly, because he said he has an assistant. So let me make sure I write this down. $16,000 additional to the $60,000 that you already said he makes. Okay, all right. The $60,000 a year is $16,000. Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him? Because you were here the last time, so I heard a lot of what you said, and I have my notes here in front of me. I really want to hear from Dad.
He said it himself, $4,000 a week, on record. Now the judge is stacking numbers, and child support is going up fast. But he's not going down without a fight. The courts heard her side. Now it's time to hear from him. What will he say to save himself?
Yeah, I do too, since he decided to show up today.
Listen, he showed up. Again, he showed up.
You're right. You're right.
Didn't we have this conversation?
Right, he's
when you
here.
were here the last time when we talked about you being petty. Y'all wrote it down.
Very petty.
Little bag. Yes,
It was
we're
so
not going to
cute.
be petty today. We're going to give him an opportunity to speak because he wasn't here the last time, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, sir, would you spell your last name for me?
Yes, Your Honor. Cotty.
All right. Is it Cotty?
Cotty.
Okay. Mr. Cotty,
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
what's
Honor.
going
Excuse me.
on? What's going on? And
He missed court once, not this time, but will showing up be enough? Mercy's done being petty. The judge demands respect. Now it's his turn to speak, and one wrong word could cost him dearly. The spotlight's on him. The silence is loud. The truth is coming next.
when I'm asking that question, I'm not looking for, what happened in your relationship and went wrong. We've already established that. There's a court order that says you're supposed to pay $768 a month, okay? So I do have some questions about that in addition to this new evidence that she brought in. Now, you said an assistant uses your account. Tell me about that.
Your Honor, I'm a local rapper. That's how I do shows and stuff.
Okay.
Concerts, YouTube, my Spotify, that's how I make my money. It all equals out to about $60,000 a year.
Okay.
A court order says $768 a month. But now he's talking rap shows, YouTube streams, and Spotify money. $60,000 a year, he claims. But does the math add up? The judge is listening closely. One contradiction, and it could all fall apart. The heat is rising.
As an organization, we have a label that I created back in the Gap, and we do fundraisers on the weekend. We do like bake sales, and we sell baked goods. That's not taxable income because I was trying to tell her that's for the business. That's not for me personal.
You do more bacon than just on the weekend.
It's my business.
Excuse
but
you.
It's
I'm
sorry, Your Honor.
One second, Mr. Cotty. Excuse
I'm
you.
sorry.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it, okay? All right, give him an opportunity to speak. He let you speak.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
Yeah, so we bake goods, and I wasn't aware that this is Marissa, but
He says it's all business. Bake sales and fundraisers. Money he doesn't count as personal income. But Mercy calls him out mid-sentence. The judge shuts it down fast. The courtroom is tense. If this is a hustle, it's falling apart under pressure.
So it is true. You were talking to Marissa.
well, I see my messages, but I have an assistant who runs my account. I can't be doing those day-to-day things. I got other things that I like to tend to throughout the day.
All right. So this additional money that are on your captions on social media, is that you speaking or is that your assistant?
That's my assistant speaking on my behalf.
So it is true.
It's my assistant speaking on my behalf.
Mr. Cotty, you show up to court for the first time today and the first thing you want to do is waste my time.
He admits the messages to Marissa are real, but blames his assistant, claims someone else, runs his account. The judge isn't buying it. If that assistant speaks for him, then those words are his. The excuses are cracking. He's out of time.
No, Your Honor. No.
Please
no.
do not come in here and waste my time. It's a very straightforward question. If they're posting on your behalf, that means what they are posting is true. Yes or no?
Correct.
Okay, so it is true then. You're making the additional money, but you're saying it's for an organization?
Correct.
Okay.
Fundraiser.
All right, so not personal.
Yes.
Is it under any type of LLC or anything like that?
Sole proprietorship.
Okay, all right. Now we're getting somewhere, okay? He's saying that that money is not going to him personally. It's for a business.
No more games. The judge demands a straight answer. If the assistant posted it, is it still true? He finally says yes. He's making the money. But it's not personal. The judge presses harder. LLC or not? Now the business is under the spotlight.
Do you know about the label, Your Honor?
Oh, do you know about the label?
I know that they have a name.
It's a yes or no.
I don't know. Yes, but no.
Don't hate, just say
Okay,
it.
what does that even mean? Yes, but no.
They're like a group of people who give themselves a title, but are they a legitimate label? That I don't know.
She's been to the concerts, Your Honor, front row.
Right, but me and my homegirls, we call ourselves something, and we're not a label, so.
Okay. Well, I guess, let me ask this question. Do you have access to private health insurance?
No, Your Honor, I just go to the hospital when I need to go.
Can you get access to health insurance coverage? Because right now you're reimbursing her $150 for coverage.
I thought they ended Obamacare.
Mercy's been front row at his concerts, but is his label even real? He says yes, but not really. Now the judge questions his credibility and his coverage. No private insurance, no answers, and a whole lot of sarcasm. This courtroom is on edge.
Okay, so this is the way it works. That's not private health insurance.
Oh.
Private health insurance is something that you have and that you pay for every month. That's what she's doing.
Oh.
The children have to be covered.
How much that cost?
Well, it depends on what program you want to put them under. Right now, she's paying them $150. If you can find something cheaper than that, that would be an option. But if not, it's best to leave the children under her health insurance plan and just reimburse her, which is what you're currently doing.
So another $150 on top of what I already pay?
No, the $150 is included in that.
The judge breaks it down, private insurance or reimburse her. But he's still confused and pushing back. $150 a month feels like too much. But the court isn't changing a thing. If he wants control, he has to take responsibility. And right now, he's not stepping up.
Without the $150, it comes out to roughly $618. Including that is $768. So if you were to provide health insurance privately for the children, you would just pay that amount, but your child support would be dropped down to a lesser amount.
Your Honor, she don't even take the kids to the doctor. I'm the one always taking them to the doctor, taking them to the dentist.
When?
When they sick.
Because I haven't seen you in a while.
Okay, so
But you's on social media though.
do the children live with you?
Might as well say they do.
It's a yes or no.
I would like to say, well, no, but they always over there.
Okay.
He says he takes the kids to the doctor. She says he's missing in action. The truth, the judge is watching both. He tries to say the kids live with him, but the judge wants facts, not feelings. The numbers don't lie, and neither will the final ruling, but the case isn't over yet. Subscribe now to stay tuned.